The body of a man was found with his throat cut at the entrance of an old Gleaner building alongside King Street in Montego Bay on Monday, May 11. According to reports, passers-by saw the body in a pool of blood and summoned the police. The dead man was identified only by his alias, Butcher, of Valley Heights in Greenpond, St. James. He is believed to be in his mid-60s. Butcher was well known in King Street area of the Western City, where he was seen begging on a daily basis. Firemen from the Freeport Fire Department came on the scene and washed away the blood from the area. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.